Good afternoon, everyone. This is Saro, our Canadian clinical pharmacist. So, what is NUWIQ? There was a question from one of the patients about what's NUWIQ, and I want to go over the summary information that I provided to this patient as well. And it's an anti-hemophilic factor. NUWIQ is a recombinant anti-hemophilic factor, blood coagulation factor 8, indicated in pediatric and adult patients with hemophilia A for on-demand treatment and control of bleeding episodes if they happen. Also for perioperative management of bleeding, for routine prophylaxis to reduce the frequency of bleeding episodes. NUWIQ is not indicated for the treatment of especially von Willebrand disease. So this is very important for you to know as far as the indication goes. As far as the dosing, you definitely want to refer back to the package insert, but I've included a table over here from the package insert that goes over the patient's age, adults between 12 and 17, children 2 to 11, and children less than 2 years old. And what's the dose for NUWIQ? 30 to 40, 30 to 50, and 20 to 50 for children less than 2 years old. Frequency of the infusions. I've also included over here for adults is every other day. For children, 2 to 11 every other day or 3 times per week, depending on the indication and the healthcare provider or specialist decision. For children under 2 years old, once per week to every other day, depending on, again, in the need for the patient. NUWIQ is available as a white sterile non-pyogenic lifeless powder in different dosages of 250, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, and 4000 international units factors of 8 potency. And if I recall, each box comes in different color. I've included the 4000 IU dosage package over here, which is green, but each of the different dosages come in different colors. Contraindications for NUWIQ may include for patients that have hypersensitivity reactions, including anaphylaxis, adverse effects for NUWIQ, just like any medications, especially those taking it for the first time, may include arthralgia, anemia, upper respiratory tract infections, headaches, fever, and cough. Again, this is a summary information about NUWIQ or anti-hemophilic factor, mainly used for bleeding and hemophilia A type disease for adults and children and pediatric patients. For more detailed information on this drug, refer back to the package insert, especially for the dosing, or you can comment on the video with your questions, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have on NUWIQ, which is an anti-hemophilic factor. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.